So this is error that continuously coming into the while you are building application. This is a Mac. So you will see like Gradle issues that I actually resolve for Windows. So you can see like if something you are getting in the Mac OS, so you can resolve using downloading the Gradle and then adding it to the path, and that's how you can resolve this Gradle issue. Just to how I'm doing this. What I have to do, just navigate to the Gradle and download Gradle like from gradle.org etc, and download the file. Once you have a file, you can navigate through your downloads. Okay, you can see I have a zip. I unzipped it and then copied this folder. Okay, copy this folder, go to your opt folder somewhere. Maybe you can do anything as per your need. Somewhere you have to put into your drive, and I just copied it to Gradle 6.4.1. I already have 5.6.4, but it was not set up properly. If you already have, you can just do the export thing, and if you don't have, you can set up somewhere in your folder where you can directly target it. Okay. So next part is you have to do like you already copied. You have to do like a command that called export path of your Gradle file, and then you can run it. Okay, so I just changed it, and now you can see the Gradle version. Okay, and sorry, spelling mistake. You see that Gradle is already installed now. Now let's go and build the application.